Welcome to this course on the Introduction to Google Data Studio for Atrax. My name is V, and I'm extremely happy to have you on board. In this course, I will take you on this journey where we're going to learn about a whole amount of different visualizations that we can create using Google Data Studio. We're going to see how to build an interactive dashboard with all kinds of features, from showing real-time sensors data to building time series graphs. And we'll bring these all together into an interactive dashboard that you can share with other users and also send as a PDF report to various stakeholders. But let's have a deeper look and see exactly what we're going to be covering in this course. So for the purpose of this course, we'll be building a dashboard for a hypothetical operation which collects data from various sensors. So we'll be using data from various pressure, vacuum, and digital input sensors. So we're going to be kicking off by looking at tables. We're going to see in the tables that we can easily display data from a full sensor network and apply conditional formatting to quickly highlight the sensors that are in an error state. Next, we're going to import a map image into our report, and then we're going to add real-time data from our sensors and other key metrics using scorecards in order to summarize visually what's currently going on site. We're going to move on to displaying the current state of a sensor using icons, and then next we're going to learn how to use calculated fields to display key metrics such as a pump running time. Going to show this information in different ways, and then we're also going to move into graphs. So we'll create a few interactive charts. We'll be blending data from various data sets, and we'll also explore some more advanced features that you can use to make the information visually meaningful. Finally, we're going to be putting all of these previous elements together into a nice looking dashboard that we'll share with others. So a lot for us to cover, so let's dive right in.